Harvey from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do a loaded potato and ham soup in the power pressure cooker. One pot, one meal. Very simple, guys. So sit back and grab your popcorn. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, share the video. Let's get started with some loaded potato and ham soup. Alright guys, so the supporting cast, pretty simple, pretty basic. We got the main ingredient. Of course, we got potatoes. I got about 4 Yukon Gold potatoes in there. Or Yukon potatoes, they're not gold. Yukon potatoes, I just got them in water so they don't brown on me. I got some pre-cooked ham. I'm cheating a little bit. I'm not cooking a whole ham to do this. So some pre-cooked cut up ham. And we got some carrots here, some onion, and hiding back here is some celery. Those are my vegetables. Then of course I can't leave home without some minced garlic. I got a little bit of EVO in the bottom, some sour cream, give it that creaminess, some half and half. You can use heavy cream if you want to. About a half a cup to a cup of flour, some thyme, some bay leaves. Of course, we got good old salt and pepper, pink Himalayan sea salt and pepper. I got some bacon for some garnish on top, some cheddar cheese, and some chicken broth. That's really about all we got for the ingredients. I might add some fresh spring onions or onions there. Other than that, that's really about it. Let's get started putting this together, guys. So I'm over here at the pressure cooker. Just to start, I got the pressure cooker on sear mode because I'm going to sear my vegetables and create kind of my roux that way. But I got a whole stick of butter in here and a little bit of EVO. So we're going to melt that down just a little bit. Let's give it a chance to do so. And then we're going to start by adding our vegetables. To start with, I'm going to add my onions down in there. My celery goes in. And my carrots. Alright, so we're going to mix that around in there just a little bit. And we're going to let those saute for a second before we add our garlic to it. So we're going to let those cook for just a minute and get soft a little bit. And right now I am going to add just a tad bit of salt and pepper. A little pink Himalayan sea salt. And a little bit of black pepper. Alright, so we're going to let those saute down just a little bit. Just till the onions get a little bit translucent. We're going to add my garlic. And we'll take it from there. Guys, those have been cooking for about 3 or 4 minutes. You can see them bubble nicely. I'm going to throw in about a teaspoon of garlic. A tablespoon of garlic, I'm sorry. Tablespoon of garlic. We're going to mix that around just a little bit. We're not going to take any time to add our flour because I don't want that garlic to burn doing that. And we're going to add a little bit of our flour there, mix it around, kind of create like a little roux, so to speak. It's a real good thickener here. A little bit more oil, just to thin it out just a little bit. From there we're going to add a little bit of chicken broth. Yeah, there we go. It's a little bit, it's about 2 cups of chicken broth, 2.5 cups maybe. That's a great thickener. Great thickener. And right off the bat, we're going to go ahead and add my potatoes to this. We're going to stir them up just a little bit. We're going to add a little bit more salt. And just a little bit more pepper. We're going to add 2 bay leaves to that. Well, those are kind of small, so I put about 4 small ones in there. But normally it'd be 2 large ones in there. And we're going to add a little bit of thyme. Stir that up a little bit more, and we can finish off the rest of our chicken stock. Stir that up just a little bit. Ah, yeah, look at that. Ooh, Lord. Smelling good, too. Alright, so from here, we're going to place the lid back on here. We're going to place the lid back on, and we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes. Alright, so for this, we got it locked down. We're going to hit the soup stew button. Now, let me turn it off first. We're going to hit the soup stew button. It's going to automatically default for 10 minutes. I'm going to come back in 5 because I don't want to overcook the vegetables. Cook them for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back and we'll do the rest of it. So, it's been on for 5 minutes. Don't let that 5 minutes fool you. It takes about 4 or 5 minutes for the pressure cooker to heat up. So then, once it gets to temperature, to pressure, then it's going to take another 5 minutes of cooking. That's the 5 minutes I'm referring to. So I'm going to taste a little bit of my broth here. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so now we're going to put our creaminess in there. Start with my sour cream. And I'm going to put about a cup and a half of sour cream in here. I'm going to pour in about a cup of half and half. Let me mix that up so I can see what we're looking like. Oh yeah, there we go. It's getting that creamy color to it. Creamy color, I don't know if that's a color or not. Alright, and we're going to put a whole 8-ounce bag of sharp cheddar cheese in here. Let that melt into it real good. And then we're just going to go back and add our ham. Since the ham is pre-cooked, doesn't take long to cook that at all. So we're going to put this back under pressure for about another 5 to 7 minutes. Probably more like 5 because it's about where it needs to be. Through the power of YouTube, we'll be back in about 5 minutes. Soup's been out for 5 minutes. Got everything in there. Look at this. Oh my God, this is goodness. Look at that. Big hunks of tomato or potato, ham. Oh my God. Ooh. Let me plate this up for you. I'm waiting for that final. I'm waiting for that bite. There we go. Loaded potato and ham soup. Perfection in the bowl, guys. You know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Loaded potato and ham soup. I don't know if it gets much better than this. Look at this. Oh my God. Let me get a little bit of everything in this bite. A little ham, a little potato, a little sour cream, a little bit of bacon. Ooh. Oh my God. This is the 8th step to heaven. Oh my God. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.